Tuning in. This is Rosie from Hair by Karma Black. Yes, so today I'll be showing you our different lace closure units we carry in store and also online. So I want to start off with the brown lace closure. So this is our brown lace closure 4x4. Now this lace closure is good for like a darker skin complexion. As I put it next to my skin, you can see it doesn't quite mesh. Now when you're shopping for lace closure units, you want to find something that's somewhat closer to your skin complexion. And as you can see, this one doesn't quite mesh with my skin complexion, so I wouldn't lean towards this one. And also for my clients, I lean towards this one if my client is a darker skin complexion. Now, some stylists do use this on any type of skin complexion, and they know how to work what they can work with what they got, Then you have the transparent lace closure. Now, the transparent lace closure is a little closer to my skin complexion, but it doesn't disappear. And when you're shopping for a lace closure unit, you want to go with something that disappears so it can have that natural what lace look. Now, if you can see, this is a little too light for me. Now, with the lace closure, you still have to do your own, tweaking to it and matching up. And I kind of like the transparent for like a lighter skin version. And even a darker skin, it can go. I like it as well. It's like a okay. But if you're looking for like the invisible what's a lace, like I don't want nothing showing, you would lean towards the lace HD lace closure. Now the HD lace closure is new to the market, and this is also a 4x4. It gives you that invisible look, like this is my hairline. Now this is my favorite. I always try to lean towards this one because it just disappears as I lay it towards my skin. And that's what you want to look for when you're shopping for a lace closure unit, something that disappears. And it's just nice and soft and light, and it's already pre-plucked. Some stylists go and pluck it some more. It depends on what you like and what your clients like. But this is like number one top for me. And this goes with any skin complexion, sorry. It's so nice and light. Look at that. It's so light. Oh my gosh. I love, love, love this lace closure. It's so pretty. Let me bring it a little closer. Now you get that illusion, that skin illusion. Look at that. That is so nice. Oh my God. My second favorite is the transparent, but this is like my baby. I love this lace closure. Now you can find all 3 lace closures on our website, and the link will be down below, so feel free to check us out. And we are located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and we have hair for sale, all type of bundle deals, so feel free to check us out, and the link will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And also I will be updating many and different videos to you guys, and I'll be getting straight to the point. I won't be dragging you around and around. I'm gonna give you all the information you need. So subscribe. Thank you.